Hi there friends, today in this video we'll see how we can change the bill format. So we can use different formats for a different pause. So first of all, open up your browser, click on the bookmark. After that, enter your email ID and password, then log in. Click on the card, go to the setting button, and here you can see the bill format setting. I click on this and here you can see that there is two type of bill format setting, one for distributor and second for retail bill. First of all, I'll elaborate the distributor bill format for you. So I'm clicking on this. You can see the already created format is highlighted here. Just for an example, I'm creating one new format. You can see the bill format here. It is a default format. So now I want to create one new format. I'm going to name it Tiara T format, and you can upload the logo from here. I'm just skipping this part, and you can see show or not. When I uncheck on this logo button, you can see the logo is removed from the bill. And if you don't want to show the fax number or your PAN number, your address, so you can remove it by here. When I click on this fax, you can see the fax is unchecked and it is not shown here anymore. And when I uncheck the heading, you can see the heading is removed, but I need a heading, so I'm checking on this. And you can remove whatever you don't want to show on your bill format. So after that, you can see here the change font size of, where you can change the font sizes of the format of the bill. When I click on this heading button, I want to change the size of my heading. So I want to change it to the 40. So when I click here, you can see the heading size is increased. And one more thing, when I click on this text invoice, I want to change the size of text invoice. You can see the dotted lines highlighted around the text invoice. So you can see where the changes are to be done. Like when I click on this address, you can see the address is highlighted with the red dotted lines. And after that, you can see change text here, and where you can increase or decrease the size of your text. I want to change my text invoice here. I don't want to highlight text invoice in my bill format. I want to change it to my shop. So when I click here, you can see the text invoice is removed with the name my shop. And you can change the main heading, I want to change Tiara Traders. So when I click here, you can see the name of my company is highlighted. And after that, you can change the address. I'm changing it to Manali. And you can add your PAN number, GST number, telephone number, fax number, and other things. It is according to you that what kind of format you want to create. After that, here you can see the enter terms and conditions, where you can add your terms and condition, which is highlighted here. So for an example, I'm going to add one, number 5th condition, items can be replaced within 2 days. When I check on this, you can see the 5th condition is added. You can add the format according to your needs. After that, click on the submit button. And here you can see TRD format is highlighted, which I have created just now. And after creating the bill format, go to the outlets and stores. And after that, click on the pause setting. Here you can see your companies. So the bill format I've just created, I want to change the bill format in Tiara pause. So I click on this added details. And after that, I'm going to change the bill format for my distributor bill. And one more thing, the distributor bill format contains a paper size of A4, and retail bill contains paper size smaller than A4. And you can see the thin bill format and A4 bill format. Thin bill format corresponds to the retail billing, and A4 bill format corresponds to the distributor bill format. So when you click on this A4 bill format, you can see the distributor bill formats are highlighted here. So this is one more way to change the formats. So now I'm going to change my format for distributor bill. So when I click here, you can see the TRR distributor format is highlighted here. So I'm clicking on this. After clicking on this, I'm going to save it, and it is saved. Now I'm going on the main navigation. I'm going on this cart. And one more thing I want to explain, like whenever I click on the cart, you can see the retail billing is highlighted, but instead of retail billing, I want to highlight the distributor bill here. So let's see how we can change our default billing. So go to the settings and go to the outlets and stores, click on the pause setting. After that, I want to change the default bill in my TRR pause. So click here. You can see select default billing, which is retail billing, but I want to make the default billing is distributor billing. So I'm clicking on this, and after that click on save, and again go to the main navigation and click on the cart. Here you can see when I click on the cart, the distributor billing is shown. Before, the default billing is retail billing, and now I change it to the distributor billing. So this is how you can change the default billing. Now I'm cutting one bill, like I want to sell one watch, which is fast track, and I want to sell one, and I'm adding it. And you can see the item is added when I click on this bill. So this is my bill format that I changed. I have changed the invoice to my shop and my heading to TRR traders, and I added one more condition, which is items can be replaced within 2 days. So this is how you can create your own format for your own bills. This is the distributor billing formats. So let's see how the retail billing format can be changed. So go to the setting button again, and after that click on the bill format, and here I'm going to click on this retail bill format setting. Go on the add new button, and here you can see the bill format of the retail billing. So now I'm creating one new format, like I'm naming it as TRR retail format, and it contains of same functions like distributor bill format setting contains, like show or not. When I uncheck on this heading button, you can see the heading is removed, and you can remove if you don't want to show the token number, you can remove it. You can remove the footer also, but I'm keeping it. So you can change the font sizes too, like I want to increase the size of my heading to 40. So here you can see the size is increased, and you can change the other sizes too. And here you can change the text too, like I want to change my heading into TRR private limited, and you can change the address footer, like I want to change my footer thank you visit again, and after that click on the submit. So TRR format is added to the retail bill format, and now go on the outlet and stores. After that click on the pause setting, and again I want to change the retail bill format for my TRR pause. So I'm going here, and on retail bill format I'm going to change, like this one is the new one I've just created, that is TRR format. I'm selecting this. After that I'm going to save it, and it is saved. Go on the main navigation and click on the cart. Here you can see the distributor billing is highlighted now. Before, the retail billing is the default one, so retail billing was highlighted, and now it is distribution billing. So I'm going to cut the bill in the retail billing because I changed the format in it, and I'm going to sell like Limca, and its quantity is 1, and I'm adding it. Here you can see the item is added. When I check on the format of the bill, you can see the heading is changed and the footer is changed. This is how the retail billing format and distributor billing format can be changed, and it can be used according to you, what kind of company you are running, or what kind of information you want to show on your bill. So this is it for the today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.